To the northeast of Ibiza is Majorca, the largest of the Balearic Islands. Majorca is a major holiday destination for British, German and Spanish tourists, attracting millions of visitors each year. We have travelled the island 3 times now, always staying in Palma de Mallorca, which is a 30-minute taxi ride west of Palma de Mallorca airport. Our hotel on each of the 3 visits has been the 4-star Globalis Palma de Mallorca, and always in the spring. The hotel is perfect for our needs and is ideally located just a few minutes walk from the nearest beach. It's only a mile or 2 north of Magaluf, passing the stunning beaches of Es Carregador, Palma de Mallorca and Sant Matías. On our first visit in late April of 2023, we spent a couple of hours aboard a boat tour, one of the many excursions available to tourists, taking us around the southwestern tip of the island, costing around €20 each. We also paid a visit to Santa Ponsa, and that took only 10 to 15 minutes by taxi, costing around €10. capital, Palma, is about a 20 to 30 minute journey by taxi or bus. We took a taxi into the city on our visits, costing around 20 to 25 euros. You can find several buses that'll take you for far less, but they can easily get quite full by the time they reach Palma Nova and may have standing room only. Approaching the city by the west, you pass by the Puerto de Palma, where you will find several cruise ships harboured, luxury yachts, tour boats and fishing vessels. Overlooking the city is the Castel di Belva, a Gothic-style castle built in the 14th century. The skyline is dominated by the majestic Cathedral-Basílica of Santa Maria. Known locally as La Seu. Built on the site of a former mosque, its construction began in 1229 and spanned nearly 4 centuries. The city is full of history, amazing architecture and shops. There's plenty of bars and cafes, restaurants to stop for refreshments along the way. And the city is a perfect way to spend the day sightseeing. We visited this indoor market for drinks and tapas. When we next return to the island, we would like to travel on the wooden train to the town of Solia. And then on to the port by tram.
With tears in my eyes, I hold on to the fire inside.
We paid between £500 each for 7 nights in March and about £800 each for 11 nights. If you enjoyed watching this and other Kraigy Travels content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Give the like button a click if you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.